Okay, students, next concept length of chord of contact and area of the triangle formed by pair of tangents and chord of contact. Students, from external point we can draw two tangents. So touch a circle at A and B. AB is called chord of contact. AB is called chord of contact. So point P is x1, y1. So L is length of tangent. So length of tangent is equal to formula root S11. L is equal to root S11. Students, length of the chord of contact is very important. Formula 2LR by root of R square plus L square. Length of chord of contact is equal to formula 2LR by root of R square plus L square, where R is radius of the circle, L is length of tangent. The area of the triangle formed by pair of tangents and chord of contact is formula RL cube by R square plus L square. Area of the triangle formed by pair of tangents and chord of contact is RL cube by R square plus L square. Okay, so next find the area of the triangle formed by the tangents drawn from the point 4, 6 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25 and the chord of contact. Also find the length of chord of contact. Also find the length of the chord of contact. So given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. This is external point, students. External point 4, 6. This is length of tangent root S1, that is equal L. This is chord of contact. Here two questions. First question, area of the triangle. Second question, length of the chord of contact. Students, first L is equal to root S11. That is equal root of, students, S11 x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. x1 is equal 4 square plus 6 square minus 25. 36 plus 16, 50. 50 minus 25, 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So L is equal to 5. L is equal to 5. Students, next radius. Here radius is equal to, students, radius is equal to 5. X square plus y square is equal to 25. So circle equation x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. So R is equal to 5. First length of the chord of contact is equal to formula 2LR by root of L square plus R square. So 2 into L is equal to, students, L is equal to, students, sorry. Students, root of 4 square 16 plus 36 minus 25. Students, L is equal to, students, L is equal to root of 16 plus 36 minus 25. So 36 plus 16 is equal to 52. So root of 52 minus 25, students, root 27, students. L is equal to root 27. Root 27 is equal to 9 into 3. This value is 3 root 3. This value is 3 root 3. Students, radius 5. So length of chord of contact is equal to formula 2LR by root of R square plus L square. R square plus L square. So that is equal to into L is equal to 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 by root of R square. Root of R square is equal to, students, R square 25 plus L square 27. So 2 into 3, 6 root 3 by 2 into 3, 6 root 3 by 6 root 3 by root of 27 plus 25, root 52, root 52, so 2 into L is equal to 3 root 3, L into R, R is equal, students, R is equal to 5, students, R is equal to 5, 2 LR. So 2 into L is equal 3 root 3 root of R square 25 plus L square. So L square is equal 27. So 2 into L into R is equal 5. So 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2, 30 root 3 by, friends here, 27 plus 25, 52. 52 is equal to 13 into 4 students. So 2 root 13, 2 root 13 students. So 2 15s. Question 15 into root of 3 by root 13. 15 into root of 3 by root 13. Next, area is equal to R L cube by R square plus L square. R is equal to 5. L is equal root 27. Root 27 whole cube by R square 25 plus L square 27. 5 into root 27 whole cube is equal to 27 into root 27 by 52 by 52 by 52. So that is equal to, students, root 27 9 into 3 27 into 5, that is equal to 5 into 27 into 27 9 into 3, that is equal 3 root 3 by 3 into root 3 by 52. So 27 into 3, 27 3 are 81, 81 into 5, 5 ones 5, 405. So 405 into root 3 by 52. 27 into 3, 81, 81 into 5, 5 ones 5 8s are 40, 105. Next problem, find the length of external and internal common tangents to the circles. So length of external means length of direct common tangents. Internal means length of transverse common tangents. So the circles x square plus y square plus 14x minus 4y plus 28 is equal to 0. Second circle x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 14x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. Students, here x square, first calculate C1, C2, R1, R2. C1, so 2G is equal to 14, 2F is equal to minus 4, C value 28. So G value 7, F value minus 2, C value 28. C1 minus G comma minus F minus 7 comma 2. R1 root of G square 7 square 49 plus 4 minus C minus 28. 49 plus 4 53. 53 minus 28. 53 minus 28 13 5 question 4 25 root 25 is equal to 5. Next, C2 students, in second circle 2G is equal to minus 14, 2F is equal to 4, C value minus 28. G is equal to minus 7, F is equal to 2, C value minus 28. C2 minus G comma minus F, 7 comma minus 2, R2 is equal to root of G square 49 plus 4 plus 28. So 49 plus 4, 53 plus 28, 83, 11, 81. Root 81 is equal to 9. Root 81 is equal to 9. Students, next calculate D. D is equal to distance between centers C1, C2 is equal to root of. So distance between centers x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 7 minus of minus 7 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square minus 2 minus 7 whole square. So that is equal to, this is 7 plus 7 14, 14 square 196 minus 2 minus 7 9, 9 square is equal to 81. So 196 81, 196 81 students, 7 4, 14 square is equal to 14, 196, 196 plus 81 students, 7 7 277. Students, sorry, here Students, C1 C2 is equal to 7 plus 7 whole square minus 2 minus, sorry, y1 minus y2 whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square. That is equal, students. This is root 196 plus 16 is equal root of 196 plus 16. 212. So D is equal to 212, students. D is equal to 212. First, length of direct common tangents. Length of direct common tangents. Formula root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Length of direct common tangents is equal to formula root of D square minus of R1 minus R2 whole square. R1 minus R2 whole square. So that is equal root of D square. So D is equal to root 212. So D square 212 minus R1. Since R1 is equal to 5 minus R2 is equal 9. 5 minus 9 whole square. Root of 212 minus 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. So 212 minus 16. 6 students. 212 minus here 0. Okay, students, 212 minus 16 is equal to 196, students. 196 students, 196. So 196 is equal to 14. 96 is equal to 14. Next, length of transverse common tangent. Length of transverse common tangent is formula root of D square minus of R1 plus R2 whole square. Root of D square 212 minus R1 5 R2 9 whole square. So that is equal to root of 212 minus 5 plus 9 14. 14 square is equal to 196. So 212 minus 196 is equal to 212 minus 196. 16. That is equal to 4. 4. Next problem. Tangents PQ comma P are drawn to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36 from the point P minus 8 comma 2 touching the circle at Q comma R respectively. This point is minus 8 comma 2. Find the equation of circumcircle of triangle PQR. So from external point, here point P is external point, touches a circle at Q and R. This is a center. Okay, students, here angle is 90. Here angle is 90. This is a common side, students. So these two are here opposite angle. Sum of opposite angles is 180. This is cyclic quadrilateral. So 4 points lies on the circle. So circumcircle of triangle PQR is CP as diameter. Equation of circle is circle on PQ as diameter. Sorry, PC as diameter. PC as diameter. These are cyclic quadrilateral, students. So circle passing through 4 points. Here CP are the circumcircle of triangle PQR is CP are the ends of the diameter. P is minus 8 comma 2. Center of the circle is x square plus y square is 36. Center 0 comma 0. Circle diameter. Circle equation formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal 0. That is equal to x minus x1 minus 8 minus or minus plus 8 into x minus x2 0 plus y minus y1 y2 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is x. X square plus 8x. This is y square minus 2y is equal to 0. This implies x square plus y square plus 8x minus 2y is equal to 0. Next, if the two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square, and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to intersect in two distinct points, prove that 2 less than or less than 8. Two circles intersect each other, formula mod of r1 minus r2, mod of condition mod of r1 minus r2 is less than c1 c2 is less than r1 plus r2. The formula, friends, formula here c1 is equal to x minus h whole square, c1 1 comma 3, r1 is equal to r. Students, calculate the center of second circle and radius. Here 2g is equal to minus 8, 2f is equal to c is equal to 8. So g is equal to minus 4, f value 1, c value 8, c2 is equal to minus g comma minus f, 4 comma minus 1. Next, r2 is equal to root of g square, 16 plus f square minus c. 16 plus 1, 17. Root of 17 minus 8, 9. So root 9 is equal to 3. Next, calculate c1, c2. So distinct 2 points formula, x1 minus x2 whole square, 1 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus or minus plus 1 whole square. 1 minus 4 is equal to root 9 plus 16 root 25 5. C1 C2 is equal to 5. C1 C2 is equal to 5. Two circles intersect. Two circles intersect. Formula mod of R1 minus R2 is less than, C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. So that is equal to, students, that is equal, mod of R1 minus R2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. Students, mod of R1 minus R2 is equal R1. R1 is equal, students, R. R minus R2 is equal to 5. Less than C1, C2. R2 is equal, students, R2 is equal to, sorry, R minus 3. R1, R. R2, 3. R minus less than C1, C2, 5 is less than R1 plus R2. R plus 3. R1, R. R2, 3. Students, R minus 3 is less than 5. R less than 8. Students, 5, taking 5 less than R plus 3. 2 less than R. Students, combine this one. 2 less than R less than 8. 2 less than R less than 8. Question next problem. If A greater than 2B greater than 0, then the positive values of M, for which y is equal to mx minus b in root of 1 plus m square is a common tangent to x square plus y square is equal to b square, and x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to b square. This is y is equal to mx minus b into root of 1 plus m square. Students, y is equal to m, here calculate m. Here y is equal to mx minus b into root 1 plus m square is a common tangent to circle 1 and circle 2. What is the condition of tangent? R is equal to D. Students, apply the condition, condition of tangent. R1 is equal to A or R2 is equal to. I am taking R2 is equal to D. So R2, so radius of second circle B. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center C2. C2 is equal. This is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Center A comma 0, radius B. So R2 is equal to B. So B is equal. D is equal perpendicular distance from center to the tangent. So here tangent is mx minus y minus b into root 1 plus m square. Students, perpendicular distance formula ax1, a is m. Students, x1, ax1, b y1 minus 1 into y1 0 plus c minus b into root 1 plus m square by root of a square m square plus b square minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square. This is tangent to first circle and second circle. I am taking second condition of tangent R2 is equal to D or R1 is equal to D. Apply R2 is equal to D. So R2 radius of second circle. D is equal perpendicular distance from C to tangent. Perpendicular distance formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is b into root of m square plus 1 is equal to a into m. Student, this is minus b into root 1 plus m square. Student, take this one left hand side. B into root 1 plus m square, b into root 1 plus m square. 2b into root 1 plus m square is equal to am. Is equal to am. Student, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 4b square into 1 plus m square is equal to a square m square. 4b square plus 4b square m square is equal to a square m square. Is equal to a square m square. Friends, 4b square is equal to a square m square minus 4b square m square. So 4b square is equal to, I am taking m square common, a square minus 4b square. So m square is equal to 4b square by a square minus 4b square. Friends, what is m? M is equal to root of 4b square 2b by root of a square minus 4b square. Question, next problem. From the point 3 comma 4, chords are drawn to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x is equal to 0. Then the locus of midpoint of the chord. So from the point 3 comma 4, chords are drawn to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x is equal to 0. Locus of midpoint of the chord. This is chord. This is midpoint of the chord. Suppose midpoint of the chord is h comma k. Suppose midpoint of the chord is h comma k. This is center, students. Center. What is center, students? X square plus y square plus 2g x 2g is equal to 4. Here no f, no constant. F 0, c 0. So 2g is equal minus 4, g value minus 2, f value 0. Center is minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 0. Center 2 comma 0. Students, here angle is 90 degrees. Here locus of midpoint of the chord. Here angle is 90 degrees, students. These two lines are perpendicular. Slope of CP into slope of chord. Slope of chord is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Suppose this is this point is Q. Students, slope of CP is equal to K minus 0 by y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2, h minus 2 into slope of PQ is equal to K minus 4 by h minus 3. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. K minus 0, K into K minus 4 is equal to minus of h minus 2 into h minus 3. So K square minus 4K is equal to minus of h square minus 3h minus 2h minus 5h plus 6. K square minus 4k is equal to minus h square plus 5h minus 6. So that is equal to h square plus k square minus 5h minus 4k plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Students, locus of midpoint of the chord. But midpoint of the chord is h comma k. Locus of h comma k is replace h by x. Replace k by y. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Locus of midpoint of h comma k. Replace h by x, k by y. Okay, students. Next problem. If two distinct chords drawn from the point P comma Q on the circle x square plus y square minus px minus qy is equal to 0 are bisected by x-axis. Bisected means midpoint. So two distinct chords are drawn from the point P comma Q. Suppose this is x-axis. This is x-axis. Bisected by x-axis. Two distinct chords are drawn. This is one. This is one. Bisected by x-axis. So equation, suppose this is equation x-axis y coordinate 0. This is h comma 0. Equation x-axis y coordinate 0. So x coordinate h, y coordinate 0. Students, bisected means this is midpoint. Suppose this point is Q. Students, this is R. Suppose this is point S. Students, h comma 0. Suppose another point. This point is xy. This point is xy. H comma bisected means h comma 0 is midpoint of SR. So h comma 0 is equal to midpoint of SR is equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 y plus q by 2. H is equal 3 plus x by 2. 0 is equal to y plus q by 2. Students, here 2h minus p is equal to x. Students, 0 is equal to y plus q, y is equal to minus q. Students, here R lies on the circle. Students, R lies on the circle. R lies on the circle. So R lies on the circle. R lies on the circle. Students, in place of x, 2h, this is circle equation. So xy, x is equal to 2h minus p whole square plus y square, y is equal to minus q whole square minus p into x, x is equal to 2h minus p minus q into y, y is equal to minus q is equal to 0. 2h minus p whole square, 4h square plus p square minus 4hp plus q square minus 2hp minus into minus plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. 4h square minus 6hp plus 2p square plus 2q square, 2 into p square plus q square is equal to 0. So next, 4 dividing by 2, 2h square minus 3hp plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Students, here two chords are real and different. So roots are real and different. Delta greater than 0. Roots are real and different. Delta greater than 0. Delta is equal to b square minus 4s is greater than 0. This is quadratic equation h. A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 3p. C is equal to p square plus q square. What is b, students? Minus 3p whole square minus 4a into c is equal to p square plus q square is greater than 0. So minus 3p whole square, 9p square, 4 2s are 8, minus 8p square, minus 8q square is greater than 0. So 9p square minus p square is greater than 8q square. So p square is greater than 8q square.